Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this unicorn changing backpack. So we got this for a family friend. Let's check this out. So this is it. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, very reflective. So what's cool about this is if you go ahead and you twist it all up, it changes. Is that not pretty cool or what? So it also changes color on the back here as well on the strap. So as you can see, you can also have it half color, half not, change. So let's go ahead and open it up. You have one compartment in the front here. You can put different stuff in the pockets for pencils, pens, notebooks in here. You then have a pocket on the side, so you can put stuff down in there. You have a pocket on the other side, put stuff down in there. If we go ahead and open up the main compartment, inside the main compartment, you get another bag, which we'll go over. But inside the main compartment, you have other pocket as well. So this would be for your main items. So inside that, they give you this bag as well, which also, can change the color as well. So that can change. This will be for your lunch, or you could use it for your lunch or anything else, but it is thermal insulated to keep your food cool or warm, depends on, what you're making. So that's how thick it is. Let's open this up a little more. So you can put a decent lunch in there. You also get this pocket purse, which again changes color. So you can change the color on that as well by just pulling down and open this up. It's actually fairly big, so you can put, money, makeup, jewelry, whatever you want inside there as well. So it's a full kit. You can even put pencils in here, whatever you want to put in here. You got your backpack, you got your pocket, you have your lunch bag, all in one. So guys, I think they're gonna love it.